Welcome back to Easy Platters. Today's video is all about mastering the art of burger patties. We are going to walk you through the steps to create juicy, flavorful burgers that'll impress everyone at your next cookout. Let's dive in. Choosing the meat for the best burgers. Go for ground beef with about 20% fat content. Chuck is a popular choice, but feel free to experiment with blends, including brisket or sirloin. The key is quality. It really makes a difference. Seasoning. Keep it simple, folks. Salt and pepper are all you need to let the beef flavor shine. If you want to spice things up a bit, try adding some garlic powder or a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Remember, less is often more when it comes to seasoning burgers. Forming the patties. Here's where technique matters. Handle the meat gently. Overworking it can make your burgers tough. Form patties slightly larger than your buns, as they'll shrink during cooking. Getting the right thickness, aim for patties about 3/4 inch thick. This is the sweet spot for a nice crust on the outside while keeping the inside juicy. Chilling is key. Don't skip this step. After forming your patties, chill them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This helps them hold their shape during cooking. Cooking to perfection. Whether you're using a grill, pan, or flat top, make sure it's hot before adding the patties. Cook for 3-5 minutes per side for medium, adjusting for your preferred doneness. And there you have it. The Easy Platters Guide to Perfect Burger Patties. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Now, let's talk fish burgers. Here are 3 great ways to make them. Store-bought breaded fish. Buy frozen breaded fillets. Cook according to package instructions. Assemble on a bun with lettuce and tartar sauce. Homemade breaded fish. Get fresh fish fillets. Cod, haddock, or pollock work well. Set up 3 bowls, 1 with flour, 1 with beaten egg, 1 with breadcrumbs. Dip each fillet in flour, then egg, then breadcrumbs. Fry in oil until golden and cooked through. Beer battered fish. Mix 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt whisk in 1 cup of cold beer until smooth. Dip fish fillets in the batter. Fry in hot oil until crispy and golden. Whichever method you choose, place your cooked fish on a toasted bun with some crisp lettuce and a dollop of tartar sauce. Delicious. There you have it. Whether you're in the mood for a classic beef burger or want to try one of these fish alternatives, you're all set for a fantastic meal. Thanks for watching Easy Platters. If you enjoyed these burger ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and tasty recipes. Happy cooking, everyone! Grilled chicken burger. Prepare the chicken. Take boneless, skinless chicken breasts. If they're thick, butterfly them or pound them to even thickness. Brush with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Try garlic powder and paprika. For extra flavor, try marinating your chicken in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs for 30 minutes before grilling. Grill the chicken. Preheat your grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. Grill the chicken for about 5-6 minutes per side, or until fully cooked. Internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Assemble your burger. Toast your burger buns. Add some fresh lettuce and sliced tomato. Place the grilled chicken breast top with a spread of mayo or avocado for extra creaminess. There you have it, a lean and tasty grilled chicken burger that's perfect for those looking for a lighter option. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Now, let's explore some more options to round out our burger and sandwich menu. Portobello mushroom burger, vegetarian option. Prepare the mushroom. Clean large portobello mushroom caps. In a bowl, mix balsamic vinegar, olive oil, pesto, salt, and pepper. Marinate the mushrooms in this mixture overnight in the fridge. Grill the mushroom. Preheat your grill or grill pan to medium heat. Grill the marinated mushrooms for about 4-5 minutes per side. Assemble your burger. Toast your burger buns. Place the grilled mushroom on the bun top with some fresh arugula or spinach and a slice of your favorite cheese. Quick and easy. Veggie sandwich. For a lighter option, or when you're short on time, try this simple but delicious sandwich. Take 2 slices of your favorite bread layer with cheese, sliced cucumber, tomato, lettuce, and sautéed mushrooms. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper, optional. Spread some hummus or avocado for extra creaminess. This versatile sandwich is perfect for a quick lunch or light dinner. Feel free to mix and match ingredients based on what you have in your fridge. There you have it, easy platters, family. We've covered a whole range of options from classic beef burgers to fish, chicken, vegetarian portobello burgers, and even a quick veggie sandwich. There's something here for everyone, no matter your preference or how much time you have. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and finding what you love. Don't be afraid to mix and match these ideas to create your perfect burger or sandwich. Tasty toppings. Try avocado, grilled onions, or crispy lettuce. Mix and match to find your favorite combo. Quick sauces. Make garlic mayo by mixing mayo and minced garlic. Or try honey mustard. Just mix equal parts honey and mustard. Easy sides. Serve with sweet potato fries or a simple salad. They're perfect with chicken burgers. Bun choices. Use whole wheat buns for a healthier option. Or try a lettuce wrap to cut carbs. Juicy chicken tip. Don't overcook. Take the chicken off the grill when it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, inside. Meal prep idea. Grill extra chicken and store in the fridge. Quick burgers all week. Healthier option. Load up on veggie toppings for extra nutrition. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this ultimate burger and sandwich guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy and delicious recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!